What's up, YouTube? So I just want to talk about something that I think that everybody should have in their house, a handful of items, just in case the worst happens. If you live in an area where there's an industrial stuff going on, any kind of chemical processing or making of integrated circuit chips or anything like that, you're going to want to have these items in your house at all times, just in case. I'll go through them just real quick. Um, so here is just some standard, plastic sheathing, 3.5 mils thick. Um, and you're going to want to, close the windows off from the inside with that. And then you've got tape over here, packaging tape, and also some kind of duct tape. Although those came from the dollar store, I actually think that they're strong enough to hold at least for a day or two from the inside. They're pretty tacky, and they seem to work well, especially the packaging tape. Pair of scissors for cutting your plastic with, tape measure to measure the plastic with. These thumbtacks, which came from the dollar store, are really useful for like holding the sheathing up before you tape it. There's like a ton of them in there for $1.50, so that was like a really good deal. And then if you have a staple gun, you can take little pieces of cardboard like this, lay it over the plastic, and hit the top of that with a staple, and this is going to make the plastic a lot less likely to tear, and it's going to make it a lot stronger. And then, God forbid, if something does get in the house, you're going to want some type of respirator. A gas mask would be better, but if you have at least a respirator with charcoal filters, you're going to be in pretty good shape, because that's what's going to stop most of the gases. And the gas in this case was a hydrogen cyanide, apparently, and the evacuation area was like 5 or 6 square miles, I think it was, but it might have been less. It might have been like three square miles, but still, that's kind of a big area. And I had a real drafty window, so I went ahead and sealed it up just out of precaution. So again, if you live in an industrial area, or you just want to have a couple things in the house just so that you can, kind of close off all the air gaps, tape your doors, tape the exterior doors and all those things. It's good stuff to have, and it's not crazy expensive. All right, stay safe.